This is definitely one of the creamiest, meatiest, most delicious pasta dishes I've ever tried. A green sausage rigatoni, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now, so let's do it. First, we're going to need some sausages, and we need to remove the skins. So with a knife, slice down the side of your sausage and remove the meat inside. So remove the skins, pop the sausage meat onto a plate and pop that to one side until we need it. Next, we need to quickly blanch some wild garlic and some spinach. So take a nice big saucepan, fill that up with water and bring that up to the boil. Quickly chuck in your spinach and your wild garlic, and we literally just want to blanch this really quickly, 15 to 30 seconds, just to tenderize it a touch. So drain your wild garlic and spinach and just give them a quick rinse with some cold water. And now we want to make our creamy sauce. So chuck your spinach and wild garlic into a blender. We also need some mascarpone cheese. So chuck in a nice dollop of mascarpone cheese. Next, we need some double cream. Pour in your double cream, and we want to blend the sauce for a few minutes to get it really nice and smooth. And very quickly, guys, if you could just hit that subscribe button below and give the video a like if you're enjoying it, I really appreciate it. Next, we need to taste our sauce and add some sea salt for seasoning. Give it another minute or two in the blender just to get it really nice and smooth. And you just want to pour your sauce into a bowl ready for when we need to cook. And now we need to fry off and brown our sausages. So take a good high-walled frying pan, get that to a medium heat and chuck in your sausage meat. Add a dash of olive oil just to help it along. Season the sausage with sea salt and black pepper. And as soon as the sausage is in the pan, you just want to start breaking it up, and we want to get a really nice bit of colour on our sausage. And a little trick, you can use a masher just to break up the sausage so it's almost like sausage mince. And once you get a nice bit of caramelisation on the sausage meat, just pop that to one side. And now we want to cook our rigatoni pasta. So get a large saucepan, fill it with water, bring it up to the boil and chuck in your dried rigatoni pasta. Heavily season your pasta water. We want it as salty as the sea, so give it a stir. We want to cook this about 2 minutes less than it says on the packet. We want it to be nice and al dente, and we're going to finish the pasta off in the sauce. And the best way to know if your pasta is ready is just to give it a taste. So try a bit, make sure you're happy, and then when you're ready to go, we want to pop the sausage back on the heat and chuck in your rigatoni pasta. Go in with a ladle of the pasta water, give this a stir through, and then we want to spoon in our green sauce. So spoon in your sauce, give that a really good stir, give it a minute or so on the hob just to reduce it down so it's nice, thick, rich and creamy, and then spoon your pasta onto a plate. And maybe the most important part is to grate over a really nice generous amount of Parmigiana Reggiano. And for the full recipe, sign up to my newsletter with the link in the description below. So get cooking and enjoy.